T-14 Armata 2026. Russia's futuristic tank gets even deadlier. What happens when the world's most advanced tank becomes even smarter, stronger, and more terrifying in 2026? In the ever-evolving theater of modern warfare, Russia's T-14 Armata has always stood apart. But in 2026, the Armata returns, not just as a tank, but as a digitized AI-powered armored predator designed to dominate any battlefield it enters. Sleek yet brutal, the T-14's latest iteration combines lethal firepower, luxurious cruise safety, and unmatched battlefield awareness into one fearsome machine. 2026 upgrade highlights: 125mm next-gen smoothbore cannon, capable of firing smart munitions and ATGMs. AI-driven fire control with automatic target recognition and engagement. Modular Composite Plus ERA armor, with 360 degrees active protection system, APS. Unmanned turret for maximum cruise safety. Advanced counter-drone jamming system. Digital HUDs, AR displays and climate-controlled interior for luxury and performance. New diesel-electric hybrid engine for better fuel economy and quieter operations. The 2026 Armata doesn't just keep up, it leads. With integrated drone swarm coordination, satellite uplinks, and autonomous threat assessment, it's not just a tank, it's a roving battlefield network node. Whether in the frozen tundras or urban combat zones, the T-14 now adapts to any terrain with its active suspension system and real-time terrain mapping. In 2026, the T-14 Armata represents more than Russian engineering. It's Russia's declaration that the tank isn't dead, it's evolving. From its armored shell to its digital soul, the T-14 is built for future warfare. And make no mistake, when the Armata rolls in, silence follows.